Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you on how to make this easy and tasty plantain cupcake. So if you want to see how I did it, let's jump right into the preparation.
Alright, so on my list I have my 2 ripe plantain here, peeled, chopped already. I have 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt to your taste, a pinch of dry pepper too to your taste, half onion bulb, and my diced tomatoes. Okay, even my onion is diced already. Going right into my blender. We're adding my 2 eggs, my onion, my baking soda, pinch of salt, my pinch of pepper, dry pepper. So we're blending all this now. So it's smooth now. So you blend till you have a smooth paste. So we are now going to transfer it into our baking pan. Greasing our pan now, using vegetable oil for this. So let's grease this pan. This is the pan I have, or this is the pan I'll be using. Okay, so we'll grease them with vegetable oil to avoid it sticking to the pan. Okay, we're pouring in our batter now. So I'll be adding this here. This my fresh tomatoes. Okay, so we'll be baking this for like 10 minutes or till done. Okay, so let's take this to our oven. Wow, this is ready now and it's ready to serve. Look at how beautiful this is looking. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments at the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this video. See you in my next one. Bye.